Do you love color coding everything? Are you already using colors in your Gmail folders, calendar events, Keep Notes, and Drive folders? Do you have a Google Sheet with a ton of tabs and need a way to indicate what tabs go together or what tabs you want people to look at? Change your Sheet's tab color in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to change the color of your Sheets tab. In a sheet, hover over the tab that you would like to change and click the downward arrow. From there, click Change Color and choose from preset colors or even make a custom color of your own. So there you have it. Change the color of your Sheets tab in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.